read through the haze.
At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the scars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left. Markets went beast mode on us. Rooms got cold and loud. Everybody talking big till the numbers come down. I kept my hands on the wheel even when it shook hard. Eyes on the line in the sand. Heart in the blacked out yard. I don't look back in the storm. I don't tab on my pain. I wait for the hammer to cool, then I name what remains. If I lost it, I lost it. If I earned it, it stays. When the noise finally fades out, I can read through the haze. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the scars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left. No victory lap, no clean win, just a pulse in my chest. Just the work, just the wreckage, just the weight I address. If the bell says it's over, then I stand with the truth. I don't need a new story, I just need proof. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the stars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left.
Count it up. 1, 2. This the check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah.
Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing wind while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stay back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cutting wind short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. This for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. This for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind, but I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak, but they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again.
My chest, one move, then the next. No drift, no maybe, no stall. I want the whole damn wall. Every inch wants more. Every win opens a door. If the wheel keeps turning clean, you can feel it in your skin. Don't bet the doubt. Don't feed the brake. When it locks in place, that's the shape of fate. Leading hard, let it pull you through. One true signal and I'm all in tow. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go. All in, no halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow. All in, no dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. In the tape room, same rule. Read the candles, read the fools. If the setup feels alive, I don't blink, I don't swipe. I've seen good enough die slow. Seen bright stars never grow. But when the edge feels true, I go harder than I knew. Momentum, yeah, once it's live. Don't drag the chain, let it drive. Small steps stack, then the whole thing flips. One clean hit and the river rips. No split focus, no weak knees. One clear lane, one clean squeeze. If the yes hits deep in the bone, then you send it like it's already home. Life don't hand out second chances, not to hesitations, not to glances. So I could lose the tired and tame. Burn the ships if I call your name. When the pulse says run, I don't question why. That kind of hunger learns to fly. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go. All in, no halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow. All in, no dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. One good yes can change the room. One true move can split the gloom. Momentum's king, and I know what to do.
Jaw set, eyes up, wrist slow.
Muscle in the mirror, thunder in my chest. Every scar story, every loss a dead.
Short fuse, tall odds, whole room feels small.
Still in my veins, I'm built for the fall. Pressure on my neck, still walking tall.
Bottom of the mountain, I'm laughing at the drop. Heartbeat hammering, I never ever stop.
Go long from the bottom to the top. Go every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 chop. Cut the doubt off, watch it drop. Bank on chop. Yeah, you know I'm all I got. Oh, when the red line says to stop. Oh, till the last breath, last. Chop, chop, chop. Rhythm in my blood, it knocks. Bank on chop. I'm the blade that never drops. Grind lines, deep cuts, sweat falls, no luck. Jawline concrete, back straight, locked in. The world tries to fold me. I just dig in, weight on my shoulders. Turn it into stars. Every hit I'm taking, only sharpens up the rock. Whoa.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO. Don't worry, Avi the Maestro will be here in a little bit. Him, myself, the boys, Max, Lama, all of us, we were at the gun range shooting. I'm going to tell you guys one thing, and I'm not blowing smoke up his ass. Like, Javi is, for somebody who's, like, Javi's a fucking very good shooter. For somebody, yeah, they were paper targets and they weren't moving and everything. But for somebody who hasn't, like, ever shot, Javi did, like, we were doing a competition, and there was like a handful of times Javi shot better than Max and I. Like, it was very impressive. Yeah. He's like a really good shooter. It's pretty. But yeah, so it's July 31st, last day of the month. Yeah, 2:45 p.m. I've got absolutely nothing showing up on the charts. We got pure chop right here. Maybe if I can get a pop down. Honestly, not until I get all the way above this 500 level or under this 395. That's it. So how's the new shotgun? Well, I just bought it. So I haven't shot it yet. It's a Gen 12. It's got the whole get up on it. Semi-automatic shotgun, super fucking cool. Once the ATF approves it, I'll pick it up and I'll be shooting it. Shooting so fun, went for the first time for my V-Day, and I had so much fun, so much more respect for guns. Yeah. You ever miss pulling targets in the pits? I don't miss pulling targets, no. But it was, I mean, the Marine Corps, yeah, it was fun. What about the bullet you almost... Dude, it's downstairs. So here's a crazy story. I show up, right? Max has a SIG GTO, which we're practicing with. Everybody's shooting it. And Sam, his assistant, was shooting. And she was like, hey, Logan, can you help me? Like, it looks like it's double feeding. And I was like, that's strange. I put a round in the chamber, but it double feeds again. I'm like, I don't know what's going on. Pull the mag out, take all the rounds out, reload it. Right, got it. All right. Put a round out, put a round in the chamber, load it, bang, bang, bang. Again, a double feed. I'm like, what the fuck? I pull the handle back, right? The round comes out, ejects, just like you normally would, pop a round out. Hits the ground and fires off. I felt something in my leg. Lama feels something in his face. And we're like, what the fuck? And I was like, what the fuck just happened? I have it, it's downstairs. The fucking round primed, it primed in the fucking chamber. I ejected it, it hits the ground and it went off and it exploded. It like basically exploded and shrapnel hit from the casing itself. And I was like, I felt something on my leg, like we're all checking ourselves, everybody was good. So fucking crazy. So one of us could have just died, took a round. Yeah. I was like, I've seen it. I've never seen it in real life before. I've seen it where it gets hot in a gun, pops in a gun, blows up somebody's hand or the rifle or something crazy happened. It happened to drop and dump. I was like, I need to go buy a lottery ticket. I'm super lucky. Super lucky. Yeah. Is it the gun or the bullet? It was the round. It was shitty. It was some shitty rounds. It had nothing to do. The GTO is a phenomenal. The SIG GTO is a phenomenal gun. It's a great gun. But it was the round. It had nothing to do with the gun. The gun's a great gun. I think Hobby's getting one right now. It's an amazing gun. I like my Dark Forge Reaper more, but it's also 3 times the price. And I don't think anybody needs to spend that money for their first gun. I got the Mastermind 4 weeks ago. I won your indicator last Friday. I need a $200 day Monday. I have guaranteed payout. You already have a shitty mindset. You don't need the money. You don't need the money. If it happens, it happens. You need to get out to the range more. Yeah. Glad you're all okay. Sam is okay. Yeah. I had a buddy take one in the kneecap. He's trying to make a necklace out of full 22 round. He was drilling into it. That's fucking dumb. Watch out. Maybe you used up all your good luck for the year. Right. Canics are amazing. I have a Canic right here. Canic Combat. I want to try the Radeon one. The new Radeon. It's cheap. $750. Did you shoot an M240 in the Marine Corps? I did. Why? You have a big obsession with 240s, Chris. They're fun. Yeah, it's what I had. It's what I shot actually a lot in the Marine Corps. What is good? What is a good one for beginners? I'm biased, and I like bigger guns, full size, but they're harder to conceal and everything. So for beginners, you want the larger the gun, the easier to shoot. Can you talk more about Midgard? Yeah, sure. Can you talk about trading? Makes sense. Midgard's a prop firm. They're not one of our partners, but we went to the Wealth Charts event and they talked about it. And like we all got free accounts to try out. And I was like, fuck it, I'll try it out. All the evals are the same. It's just, you got to pass it over 5 days. It takes 5 days to pass. So you can do it like TPT. Hit your 50%. I think it's 40 or 50%. Hit that, then just base hit or whatever. You get your payout, you get your past account, and then you get to pick 3 different styles. You get daily, every 5 days, or path to live. I did the dailies, 5 accounts, and I fucking milked them. Hit them for a massive, my first payout was like 3K, 4K. Then I hit them for like 20 something K. Then I hit them for 40K. Then I hit them again for 27K. They're like, all right, you're getting pushed live. How long do you usually take to pass an eval? Depends on the market conditions. It depends on what account size you're doing. I recommend all new traders, beginners, people who aren't profitable yet, to trade 50Ks. 50K should take you, with proper risk management and everything, 2 weeks, maybe. Shitty conditions, maybe 3 weeks. Logan, dumb question. If I want to join Max Trading as a beginner future, I have knowledge of options, Webull, but never done futures. Do I go with your course or Max's? Either or. Doesn't matter. I have students of mine who are brand new to trading who are picking it up. Any of our courses, I think, are pretty beginner friendly. My hobbies and Lamas too. Is Midgard American? I could see them being like, yeah, Norwegian or English, by the way they communicate. They're out of Florida. Oh, cool. 3 weeks to pass an eval or first payout? It depends on the market conditions. Like, if I'm making, what's the math? Students, what's our average Strat 1, Strat 2 profits on a 50K without giving up too much sauce? What's our average for, because I don't trade 50Ks anymore, so it's hard for me to remember. What's the average profit after Strat 1, 2? 3 to 480? Okay, so in a perfect worst scenario, a week and a half. There you go. So a week and a half for you to pass your account, pay out ideally a week later. So anywhere between 2 to 4 weeks, you get a pass an account and get a payout. What's the name of the indicator you're using right now? Pivot Hunter Pro. Pivot Hunter Pro, actually, fun fact. So I have other strategies, not just PHP, right? That today, this morning, Strat 2, a strategy that I have hit, was great. But I have obviously PHP. PHP is responsible for the last two Midgard payouts. The 67,000 I got was all because of PHP. My other accounts was from other strategies. Are you dropping free PHP again? No. I mean, I'm going to give away free indicators today, but if you win, sure. PHP got me my first payout in 2026. Oh, yeah. How many accounts can you have with Midgard? 5. Yep. Still in this chop zone. If we get a small break here, signal above, maybe enough room for me to take a trade. If not, I like this triple stack level for longs. Oh, wait, that's not the highest one. It's also not the highest one. Didn't know that. Okay. It's not ideal. Not ideal. How much is the course? I think all of our courses are $12.50. I think every single course is around $12.50. For a 50K, how does it work after the buffer? You can just request whatever amount. Yeah. Yep. I think it has to be a minimum of 250 bucks though. Then the maximum is like 10K. Like I hit him for a max for a 40K payout. Minimum is 500. Okay. Can you show the P2P indicator? I don't use the P2P indicator. I don't even know how to use it. I only know how to use advanced orb and PHP. I don't know how to use any other indicator. I don't even have them. I literally just have these two. PHP got me green on my evals for the first time ever. Nice. Javi's coming. Javi will be here. Finishing up at the gun range. He'll be here. I just bought PHP. Nice. How'd everybody trade this week? How'd everybody trade this week? So question, if you know you used to be a student of Max, what made you develop this style? Did it just work better for you? Yeah. I took the Max way and I made it my own. I developed my own strategies that fit for me and my personality. There's certain things that I looked at, that I saw, that I wanted to tighten up and change and make for my style of trading. I did. Spent a few hundred on evals. Okay. Passing eval, can't complain. Little green week, break even, 0 trade, solid week. I traded horrible. I tilted Tuesday, but now I'm back at track for a max payout on Wednesday. Nice. You guys remember what happened with me on Funded Seat 2 days ago, 3 days ago? Anybody remember that? You know what's funny? Your boy's getting a max payout from them today. Talk about a comeback. Yeah. I had those 3 evals almost passed. Got rid of them because I thought I could do the ultras. Was gonna get the ultras, realized I can't get the ultras. So I was like, fuck. Loaded up another set of the dailies, and then I got a $2,500 payout that I'm gonna request tonight. The ultras look sick. They're gonna get them on Wealth Chart soon. The ultras do look sick. Bluesy, killing it. Good shit, dude. Can you explain the ATR? Because I know the color changes, and I assume green is good. But I heard you this week mention the ATR has been too low. What is the sweet spot in terms of numbering color? I don't mind. Okay, sweet spot, this is low. I'm not a fan of this low of ATR. Sweet spot for me is like 16 to 23 is like perfect normal market conditions. And then high ATR sitting anywhere between 25 to like 33 is high ATR perfect conditions, right? And then I've recently just made new ATM settings with my students for anything above 35 ATR. But the sweet spot is like 20 ATR, normal market conditions. Students caught so many trades last night during Asia. So many trades last night during Asia. I didn't even trade with them. They were just doing it together in one of my student channels, crushing it. Catching 50 points, beautiful PHP trades. What makes them worth additional cost compared to many of the other daily options? It was like 200 per 50K account. I don't know. You've answered this 100 times, but if I buy the P2P indicator, is there an instruction course on how to use it? Yes. Am I able to add PHP to my wealth charts? Yes. Every indicator you get goes on TradingView and wealth charts. I have PHP, but my dumbass was patient with it and blew an account, then came back to my other account and waited and was patient and was up 750. Okay. I like PHP because it's so simple and easy to understand. I'm 78 and need easy. Right? I don't think your age means anything, Sheila, but yeah, patience definitely helps. Blue 5, copy trading accounts, then 5 more. Nice. Is this the most money you've ever made trading? 2 back-to-back 100K months? Technically, yeah. I've had close to 100K months. I think I might have had a 100K month previously. Last year, end of last year, I think I did. But in the last 3 months, I've made over $300,000 trading. Are you going to sell options like Max? Nope. I have a 100% win rate on options. I'm not ruining that. I'm going to touch you. What's up, Tyler? What's going on, brother? I'm like, who the fuck is this? That's funny. What up? What up? 300K from prop firms, correct. You beat Max this month. He only made 88 or 89. Cool. I'm not in competition with anybody though. Tyler, we gotta link up, bro. We gotta go shooting and hang out. You gotta make a trip up here, or we make a trip down to you. I traded my first evaluation and blew it. Does it make me a trader now? No, you need to pop your account before you get a payout. I saw the new addition to the arsenal. Yeah, dude. My Gen 12, it's sick. Sick. I've got a fucking holograph sight on it. I got a silencer. I've got a touchpad light on it. I've got a front grip. I've got a special trigger and safety on it now. The camo is sick. My first camoed out gun that I have. Usually I just have all black guns besides mechanic. Are y'all in South Florida now? Yep. All the boys are in South Florida. Even Tyler. Are you in a trade? No, we're chopping right now. There's no trade setups. When your indicators presents a move, do you shoot for 10 points or next resistance area? Way more than 10 points. I shoot for a minimum of 20 points. I don't scalp as much as like others. I go for a minimum of 20 points. Ideally 30. Any giveaways today? Yeah. I give away some shit at the end of the show. Logan, another payout from PHP today. Thank you. That is 3 this week. Let's go, Aaron. Good shit. Good job, Aaron. Looks like EOTech. Actually, I have the receipt in my car, but yeah, it's a whole setup. You shot a full auto version of it? But you had an FRT on that shotgun? Just dump. I got a drum mag on it too. Just dumped 15 rounds in 2 seconds. Imagine a shotgun. I put an FRT on that. Unloading 15 rounds that fast. Wish my security guard knew gun safety. What are you talking about? I already told the story. Nice try. I already told them the story. They know what actually happened. Michael Jordan or LeBron James? I'm going to say Michael Jordan only because LeBron James is a fucking bitch, but LeBron James is a better player. I like Michael Jordan more as a person. LeBron James is better as a basketball player. How about that? Is that a fair statement? Jordan's a cooler person. LeBron's a better player. It's just the stats, guys. Like you can say you like Jordan more, but you just got to look at numbers. It's a numbers game, guys. Statistics. We're traders. Everything we do is statistical. MJ is a better player. That doesn't make sense. Look at the numbers. It's like, I think LeBron's a bitch. It doesn't mean he's not a bitch. Look at the numbers. So what you're saying is slow down when it comes to trading and payouts? Yeah, there's no rush. It's the summer too. Summer's times are kind of slow. Isn't there a photo of LeBron in a maid outfit at Diddy's house? Oh, probably. Anybody know what 2 indicators Logan is using? I only use Pivot Hunter. I use Pivot Hunter 99% of the time. In the morning, for some of my other setups, I use the Advanced Orb. Basketball got too soft now. Dude, every sport is getting soft, even football. In the last like 5 years, the amount of rule changes they had. Oh, but there's CTE. Fuck it. Who cares? Let everybody become brain dead. It's entertaining. They made so many safety rules for football. Like you can't, what is it, charging? You can't run a certain distance at them. You can't do this. You can't, like, certain tackling ways. Cut blocking. Cut blocking was great. Take out their fucking knees. We did that shit in football all the time. The army has gotten soft. Military, our whole world has gotten soft. Military soft as fuck. Football soft as fuck. Basketball soft as fuck. Logan probably says and answers these questions in his sleep after repeating himself every single day. But yeah, probably. How do you determine your entry point with PHP for the New York Open? Are you waiting for a close, not just a print through? The blue line. I keep getting wicked out on my entries. PHP has been crushing it for me in Asia, though. How you trade at Asia is trade how you trade in the New York Open. You just need to be prepared for the volatility and the flips, right? You need to make sure that you have good risk management. I don't wait for a close. I'm a momentum trader. I wait for the print through. Now, that's for PHP. I have other setups that I wait on specific closes. That one. Hockey's always cool. I've actually never been really into hockey, but I want to get into hockey. Especially since the Florida Panthers are fucking the greatest team there is, apparently. So I'd love to get into hockey. Hey, Logan, I joined the CSO. Excited for next month. Let's go, Phil. Welcome to the CSO Battalion. You got a lot to go over. Got like 40 hours of content. We got more classes that I've been delaying that I have to do with my students. We got a site class coming up. We got a candlestick pattern class. We've got a new prop stack class, top prop classes, prop firms to use. How do you go to your saved layouts on wealth charts? Get PX runs in basic and ice creams. They get PX runs in basic camp, basic training. That's crazy. Look at they get their phones too. What would you classify as a print through for PHP level? You gotta watch my video, my YouTube. Watch my YouTube. I go over everything there. You see a blue dotted line, I want to see a print through. I like to see like a good amount of ATR print through of the blue line. And then I want to see, like you have the blue line, and I like to see 3, 4, 5 points, depending on what the ATR is, print through. And then you have enough room of a TP before the next level. So like theoretically, let's say this prints, blue dotted line shows up here, I wouldn't take it because this level's in the way. But if it printed, blue line was here, I have this much room, I might take it. Came in late. How did you do this morning, Logan? Killed it. The morning was fucking amazing for us students and I. First 2 trades we caught. Perfect. Perfect. First 2 trades, I told everybody log the fuck out. First trade caught us about 15, 20 points. Next trade caught us at least 60, 70 points. I was like, everybody log out. Do you do one-on-ones with your students? No, there's no need to do one-on-ones because I teach and coach with all my students all together at once at the same time. Need an FEG pattern and a 3-bar and break. I don't know what that is, so I don't know what to tell you. Like this event environment. Scalping $300 over and over again, shit adds up. Correct. Do any of your students use PHP for options? Randy is a student of mine who uses PHP for options. I think there's a couple others, but yeah. So wait, your course comes with just 40 comes with your 40 hours of videos and classes and live trading every day? Yeah, pretty much. It has 40 hours of education, live trading, recaps, psychology, including how to build your own strategies. And then I also do pre-market every morning with my students. And then I do more new classes. It's like a fucking mentorship. I do new classes that are coming up in the next week or 2, whenever I can get time. And then I also have been doing Asia sometimes with my students. It's like a mentorship. It's not even like a fucking course. I don't know, I'm a loser. I spend too much time with my students. Damn, popped my account last night and didn't even know I went to trade. That bitch is gone. Use code BDM. Do you go live with your students under CSO channel? Yep, I do, every morning. And my students have taken their own initiative in trading together. Yeah, like last night, which was really cool. Last night I was at the gym, so I couldn't trade with them. And there was like 50 of them in there, all just catching bangers together, trading Asia. It was pretty cool. A little bit of overtrading, but they did really well. So I was proud of them. Are the 15-minute levels more powerful than the 1 minute? Yes, they're very strong. Very strong. So if you get you're usually going to get a big yellow candle, which is a high volume break. Not a bad idea to enter those sometimes. What is PHP? It's this nifty indicator you see on the screen. For your information, I took 0 DTE option call yesterday. Made 50% on the first, 100% call, 100%, 50% on the first, then 100% on the second contract using PHP. Fuck yeah. Good shit, Carlos. As a newbie, I appreciate the hand holding. No problem, Shanna. No problem. I expect all of my students to be significantly mentally slow. I just fucking do what I can to help them out. Pre-market what time? 8 a.m. every morning. Some of my students start off earlier together. I do it 8 a.m. 8 a.m. until around 9 we finish up, and then we prep for the 9:30 open. How often and when are you live with your students again? Every day. Every day unless something comes up, but every day. You said sometimes you enter off the 15-minute level before the dotted line? Yes. Some of us are in the recon room at 6 a.m. Yeah. PA is ass. This PA has not moved at all. That's why I'm just yapping, guys. There's just no trades. Think about it. If you're like, Logan, how come you haven't called out a trade? For those of you guys who are degens and don't know how to trade, what the fuck would I be doing here? Short, long, short, like, you know what I mean? This isn't, you don't trade this. So for anybody who's freaking the fuck out right now, Logan hasn't called out any trades. You're retarded. Respectfully. Not respectfully. Why would you take this trade anytime? Your indicator, and I'm trying to figure out how to use it. Where do I go? My YouTube, LoganCSOTrades.com. Logan Trades on YouTube. You gonna hang out with us tomorrow? No. Why would I hang out with you tomorrow? Do you help your students to understand their own individual style of trading? How the fuck would I do that? Nice. Not gonna lie, a better form of mentorships I've seen recently. Whatever. I'm gonna eventually just abandon everybody. So fucking be like, fuck all of you. I've made too much money trading. I'm gonna go live out on a ranch and abandon society. We're all holding our hands, trading together there. Yep. That took that long at bottom of orb. What's a good PT? I don't know, because I don't know what orb you're talking about, because I don't see an orb. I'm not trading an orb. You're asking me about a strategy that doesn't make sense that I'm not trading. It's like this guy was talking about an FVG. What the fuck is an FVG? Fair value gap? I don't know what that is. I don't trade it. What are the best entries for PHP? When you have a print through of a blue line. Watch the YouTube videos. It's dope. I'm new to trading and I enjoy the community trading more. Cool. Welcome. Do you help your students understand their own? Yeah, no, I read that one. PHP on QQ options. Hit. Yeah. You said sometimes you enter off the 50-minute level. Yep. Some of us are recon room. Yep. You gonna hang out with us tomorrow? No. How long do you wait to take a trade after market open? Instantly. I don't. I trade pre-market. I trade when the market opens. I trade after the market opens. There's no. When my setup's there, my setup's there. There is no defining time. How did you do this morning? Very good. Very good. The exact numbers. I logged out. I mean, I was trading just like a random account, but normally, like for my students, if they're following the rules, the numbers, all of my students would have made roughly, if they're following the stack, they would have made, all of my students would have made around $9,000 this morning. If they had the stack that I teach, and they did everything correct, everybody had pretty much a guaranteed minimum of a $9,000 this morning. Minimum. Guaranteed. Based on one particular strategy that I have. Are you going to watch the new Spider-Man movie? Yeah. How much profit did you make last month again? 107,000 or something? I don't know. I post on my Instagram. I show all the payouts and the number and whatever it is. I don't remember. I don't remember anymore. This month was 132,000. Love you, Logan. You keep me out of trouble, but hobby is fun. Oh, appreciate it. Love you too. Are you gonna watch the new Spider-Man movie? Yep. Have a great weekend. Another solid green week. Appreciate it, Mike. Mike, you've been killing it, dude. You're solid. Mike is actually one of my profitable students. He's been fucking killing it. Bro, these questions are redundant. Yep. Logan, I literally told you that the other day. Ranch life is life. My parents used to have a ranch. They just losing money on it, so they got rid of it. What sizing should I do on a 25K? I mean, straight up with you, I understand 25Ks are cheaper. 25Ks are not the move. Does not make sense. 25Ks do not make sense based off of their drawdown to profit ratio and the amount of space that you have. And if it's high ATR or extreme market conditions, you can't go under a certain amount of micros. It doesn't make sense. 50Ks are the sweet spot. And if you're trading a 50K, you shouldn't go over 1 mini or 10 micros. You don't yell at us as much anymore. Low-key sad about it, for real. It's because people are starting to listen to me. Logan raging today? Oh, I'm chilling. You guys know when I'm raging. This isn't raging. I was stubborn not to use PHP, used it past the account. Why would you be stubborn not to use it? You're just like, fuck that guy? That guy sucks. There's somebody who I met at the event. They're like, I thought you would fucking suck, dude. I thought you were such a douchebag. And then I met you in person. You're actually cool. I was like, what am I supposed to do with that information? Thanks, dude. And I honestly, I hear that a lot. All right. Have a great weekend. La, 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 la. All right, let me go through the YouTube. Let me see what YouTube has been saying. Short now. Do you want one students now? FG break. What's PHP? How often are you live? Do you copy trade all your accounts at the same time? Most of them. Half of them. Like half and half. How to get out of fear and develop patience. Your best advice. You're not going to get rich off of trading instantly. Take your time. Focus on the process. Focus on a process and focus on a setup. Don't focus on the number and the payouts. Not enough room for me. I'm not taking this trade. This is a major 15-minute level in the way. I'm not taking this PHP trade. But if all of a sudden we get a fucking ripper, I will take it if it pops over this 502.75 level. When you are a new trader, would you recommend 25K account? No. 50K is minimum. What do you think about Vanquish Platform? Never traded it. Where can you find more information about your mentorship? maxoptionstrading.com. There's a link here in the bio on the YouTube, and it's also the mods are going to post it for you right there. There you go. Logan needs a weekend to start. Yep. I think we will see. Oh, I will end up living on a fishing boat. That'd be cool. All I want is 30 acres. My whole family has a bunch of acreage out in Colorado. It's cheap. I love quantum, but I think my style of trading works for PHP. I've been watching your videos, love it. I mean, both work really well. It's whatever your style is. Taking my son to see Spider-Man tonight? Nice. Let me know how it is. How much is your class? $12.50. $107K is crazy. I think it was 107K. I know it was over 100K. I don't know the exact number. This month I'm at 132K. Actually, it's going to be more because I got to take a max payout from one or two other prop firms today. So I'm going to make a little bit more than that. Do you have any time commitments for your students? What does that mean? What do you mean by, do I have any time commitments? Have a good weekend, Nico. What's the best time frame for Pivot Hunter? I like to trade on the 1 minute, but I have 5 and 15-minute levels here. Did you ever make the gym this week, boss man? I did. You didn't? Yeah, I crushed my legs. I just did hack squat yesterday until I felt like I was going to throw up. I literally just did hack squat, hack squat, hack squat, hack squat. I was stubborn thinking my system is better, but it's not. It's all right. I mean, your system might be better than mine. I don't care. What is the most accurate advice that MOT gives you? Guys, it's Friday. You guys are fucking asking me like existential questions. I don't know what to tell you right now. It's Friday. I got fucking 40 minutes left with you, and you're asking me what's the meaning of life. I don't really know what to tell you. Avi, what's going on, brother?
Is to pull it for 10 minutes and be done, right? What's up, brother?
Do you get your new pistoli?
Yep, got it, man. Gotta pick it up in a week or so, but yeah.
Oh yeah. You
Super
haven't missed
pumped.
anything. You probably would have caught a trade or two, knowing you, but I didn't catch anything.
Oh, nothing yet? Yeah, I just saw this long, but it's already gone. Dude, yeah, that was fun, dude. Like today was so eventful. Did you tell them what happened with that bullet and
Yep.
dude, that was scary, bro. Dude,
I
for
told
my
him how
first time, bro.
I told him how you were beating Max and I in a lot of the shooting.
Dude, I was like, I told my wife, I was like, I was just having fun. It's funny because I was like, I'm just doing what I normally do, just like I train, right? I just pull the trigger. It's the best way to put it. It's like I aim, I hit. That's it.
Yeah, that was good. It was very impressive.
What was fun as hell, man. Very fun, dude.
Yeah, we do that, dude. We do that like once every 2 weeks at least. We go out shooting right by. It's
Oh, let me know,
5
man.
minutes from my house. Yeah.
I'm I'm gonna start making an account just to buy guns with.
Yeah. I mean, I just bought a 9K gun today, based on
Yeah,
my
man.
profits from this month.
That it was funny
Actually,
'cause
in
you
the
left.
last
Yeah.
in the last 3 months, I have spent almost $30,000 in guns.
Dude, it was funny because you're like, that thing happened, and you're like, I'm out. I'm gonna take like you're like, right, yeah, I need to take a break, but I'm gonna come out. You come back in with the brand new fucking gun.
Almost get shot. You know what I need to do? I need to buy a new shotgun.
No, dude, buy a new gun. The biggest one they have. I was like, hell yeah. Yeah, I just ate. I haven't eaten anything.
I know.
Yeah.
I got my food. Yeah, I haven't eaten anything either.
Yeah, I got this thing.
15-minute level showing resistance. Yep.
Wife is on my ass with like, I barely eat, but with the Hashimoto thing, you're supposed to eat, but you got to eat
Yep.
the right food. I got to find out what the right food is. Oh my god, just like this whole thing, but it's a lifestyle change I got to do.
What do you run through it? Buckshot or slugs?
My
Probably
mic is
slugs.
under the table. Yeah. Oh.
What do you got playing this weekend?
Um, Potentially going car shopping. Not much, really.
Car shopping.
It'll be a quiet
New
weekend.
car?
Yeah, I think we got to get something that doesn't look like a old beaten down. I mean, it's a good car, but we also want to. We're thinking of just getting a Tesla. We have the house we got has a built-in charger, and I'm paying like $70 to fill up my tank. And we want to keep driving to Disney. That's like a 3-hour drive. It's stupid. to
Yeah,
even
it costs
think about
about
gas. It's
$70
gonna be
for me to
expensive.
fill up, but I do premium on my truck.
Yeah. So we're gonna do that. We're not gonna do much this weekend. This weekend's gonna be quiet. But we are definitely spoiling our daughters, man. Oh my god, my daughters are like, we going to Mickey Mouse again? We want to go to Mickey Mouse again. I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, oh shit. And then our 5-year-old is already, she wants gold and diamonds. And I'm like, where the fuck did she get that from? I don't even know where she got that from, but she wants gold and diamonds now. I'm like, oh no.
Oh.
I'm creating one of those spoiled brats.
Right,
She's
right.
gonna be like,
It's
oh my
cool. My daddy
God.
has
Yeah.
money. My
Yeah.
daddy has money, so he can buy whatever I want. Oh, you got the new Polly Princess shoes? Well, my daddy's gonna buy me the ones with the diamonds on them. And then you're fucking.
Exactly. Yeah, she's like, oh. It's like, nah. He's like, oh, you got Coach? Ugh. You gotta get Versace, bitch. Like straight up. That's gonna be my
Yeah, you're
daughter.
fucked. Dude. You're
I'm
fucked.
fucked.
I posted it on my Instagram. The one I talked about with when I had daughters. They're just gonna be spoiled
Yeah.
as fuck, and I accepted it.
Dude, I know that. Yeah, man. And I don't even know. I don't know how I'm gonna handle that shit. I don't even know because I can't say no to her. Oh. My son wants e-bikes and PC. Well, I got my son an e-bike, but he doesn't ask for it. We got him. My son's a good kid. My son's a very good kid.
Please don't allow your children to think about money. They should grow up normally. What the fuck does that mean? If I'm making a fuck ton of money, how are my kids gonna grow up normally?
Poor?
Just don't give them
Normally is
anything?
poor?
I don't understand. What do you mean normally? What is the definition? Like, you
I
understand there's
grew
like a
up,
massive, you know that there's like
I
a
grew up
massive wealth
poor.
gap in the world, right? You understand that?
Yeah.
You understand there's a huge wealth gap. So I'm just gonna make all this money and then I'm just gonna be like, you can't live in my nice house, you can't be in my nice car. Like, how am I gonna make that work?
It's tough because look. Here's the tough thing, okay, about parenting. Because my parents went through this. I'm kind of going through this. We want each one of our kids to live better lives than we did, and
Fuck yeah.
unfortunately, that means spoiling them, right? And
Right.
unfortunately, sometimes, right, that's a part of the parenting part where you have to
Yeah.
find equal ground where they don't get super spoiled and aren't going to be little annoying brats, hopefully, right? But at
Yeah.
the same time, my parents came to give us a better life, right? Even though for some of us, like I grew up in poverty, like straight up, we lived in an apartment with like 8, 10 different family members. I slept on the floor.
Yeah, I had 6 in a one
You know,
bedroom. Yeah.
yeah, we slept on the floor. I remember one night waking up, me and my sister, we woke up and there was roaches all over us. Yeah, that was normal for us. That was how we grew up. But as we got, I don't want my kids to go through that. And honestly, like I thought we were about to go through that. I mean, you guys know my story. We went through some tough times, and I was like, "Fuck, what am I doing?" And yeah, it was tough. It was tough because I almost put them through that because of my own inability to control my gambling tendencies when I first started trading.
Right.
When I lost that 120 in options.
Logan and I were raised Jersey poor. We all slept in one bedroom because it was warm. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there you go, May trades. Yeah, I remember stuff like that too.
In Trenton. I was in Trenton. 6 of us, one bedroom. The worst part is so it was me, my sister, my mom, and then we had my uncles and my grandmother. You know what the funny thing is? My uncles and grandmother, do you know how much money they had growing up? I didn't know this until recently. My mom told me. My mom disowned them. My mother's stepfather was a multi-millionaire. I didn't know this. Multi-millionaire. I never met him. He died when my mom was a kid. Apparently he was just a dick. He was a piece of shit. They owned over here on Ocean Boulevard in Palm Beach County a $40 million house. Now, my mom, when she moved here, she was like disowned all of them, wanted nothing to do with them. That guy dies. My grandmother and uncles blow through everything, all of their money until they have literally nothing, and then moved in with us in a one-bedroom apartment in the ghetto in New Jersey. You know how crazy that is?
Yeah. Yeah, that and I think your mom saw the bad side of what money can do to some people.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because I actually have an uncle that owns, if people are familiar with Pollo Campero, he's the reason they brought Pollo Campero over here. He's my mother's uncle. He owned this big cleaning company, all sorts of stuff. But they are very stingy and like things that pissed me off was that he sent my mom, like my mom will go to El Salvador and she'll go get things and bring things back for him, right? At an expense. He will only give her back a fraction of what it costs, like a fraction. And my mom was struggling, always been struggling with money. This guy lives in Falls, what is it called? Great Falls, Virginia, multi-million-dollar homes over there. And I remember dropping something off, and he wouldn't even say hi. He didn't even say hi to us. He barely opened the door, took the thing. I said, "Hey, you remember me? I'm Evelyn's son, my mom's son." And he just kind of like looked at me, "Oh, okay," and then shut the door. I was like, "Motherfucker."
Man.
Yeah.
That's what I say. I said,
Yeah, my wife remembers.
blood isn't thicker than water.
Yep.
You know what I mean? You ever hear that? I don't give a
Yep.
fuck. I don't get like there's like family's all you have. Fuck family. I got my mom and my sisters, and I don't give a fuck about anybody else.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It's
I mean,
it's you know what's weird though? It's kind of like I think about this too because now we're in this world too where it's like okay, then I have family that look at you like when they know that you have some sort of success, then they view you as a scapegoat of some sort, right?
Here's the honest truth, and this is just something that I kind of came to the realization for, and this is gonna sound. Some people are gonna fucking. I don't know. How do I word this? How do I word this without sounding fucking gay? 99% of people will look at me now as just a dollar sign. Unfortunately. Yeah. Unfortunately, now 99% of people in this world will just look at me as a dollar sign. Everybody. Previous family, friends, old friends, women, people that want to do business with me. That's all I am now to most people now. Because Logan made it. Logan made a lot of money. Now, Logan, you're just a dollar to me. People will choose the money and what I have to offer with my money than who I am as a person or as an individual. Just a walk-in bank now. That's the sad thing now. Is people don't realize that too, is once you make a fuck ton of money, people only look at you as a dollar sign now. So another thing is, there are a lot of downsides to making a lot of money. More money, more problems, they say. Am I grateful? Abso-fucking-lutely. I've been homeless before. I've lived under a library. I've been fucking kicked out of my house. I had nothing in my name. It was 130 pounds because I didn't eat. I'm 6'5". Like, I've been poor. I've been rich. I've been everything. There's problems on both ends. Life's a lot fucking easier when you get money, though. Life is a lot easier when you have money, but when it comes to actual relationships, it's just a hell of a lot more difficult.
It gets, yeah. Oh, yeah, it does. It absolutely does, yeah. It absolutely does. I mean, there's a reason why, I don't flex a whole lot. There's a specific reason why I don't flex a whole lot. And when you have family as well, right? Because I got to take care of my family too. So it becomes this whole thing.
Yep.
I'm eyeballing, did it push up to, shit, I wanted to kind of push up a little bit more, but I'm eyeballing a short right now. It's already kind of going. I was looking for it to push up to 62, 63. It hit 61. And I only got in with 1 micro because I couldn't press it. I couldn't press this thing. But let's see if it gives me enough. No, it's already kind of gone. Man. It already kind of left. Quantum Gang probably sees what I'm looking at. It's kind of tough because this 5-minute is kind of in an uptrend. But it's kind of already kind of pushed down that 10 points already. But I'm kind of looking to see if it'll reject 67, 62. Between 62 and 67 is where I'm looking for rejection. So I already got out of that 1 micro just because I was like, okay, here we go. Let me see what it does up here if I want to re-enter it. It's already rejecting again that same area. So I'm looking at 67 area, 67.70 to hold.
Your wife. We had nothing in Hobbies On. Asked him if I was with him for the money. What money?
Wait, what?
Your aunt, money. Your wife. Your aunt asked if your wife was with you for the money, and she was like, "What money?"
Oh, yeah, dude. Oh my God. When I married, me and my wife got married. Oh my. Okay, 2 things that there was some family. Thankfully, not everyone, but there was some family. She's either with you for the papers, or she's with you for money. And then I'm like, what money? We were both like, what? I'm like, where's the money? Because they're like, she's with you for the money or the papers before the wedding. And then I'm like, what? Where's my money? I'm like, I don't have any money. Am I supposed to inherit something? There was nothing, right? But I'm the one. She was ready to go. My camera's following me. She was ready to go home. I was the one that didn't want her to leave. And thus I proposed to her while we were in bed. And she said yes. And the rest is history. So yeah, and I had no. We were living in my mother's basement, in my mom's house, in the basement. And then when we found out that she was pregnant, when we found out that we were having a baby, that's where my journey to Utah began. All right, we're testing this whole 67 area. It is like it's rejecting it over and over and over again. I mean, there's a couple scalp opportunities right now, but it is kind of stuck. It's kind of stuck up here. So I'm kind of looking at what it might do here. It's kind of, I don't know how I'm feeling about this short right now in this area. It's not moving. It's not rejecting hard. It rejected a couple times for 10, but it looks like it's just hovering right now. So I'm not super sold on this
Logan, I
Short
respect
unless
you.
we get closure underneath 54 now.
What do you respect me
So
for?
I'm gonna hold off. This is definitely papers now. Like she was with when we met, I was skinny, so I wasn't fat yet. I was fat before, but she didn't know me when I was fat first. So I was at 256 when she met me. 256, 255. So I was
It's not
good
big at
with
you.
it.
That's not that big at your height.
Yeah. I was wearing medium shirts. My belt, man, I had those skinny belts, and I was like at the third notch or fourth notch. Felt amazing. Felt amazing to be able to like
Logan got to buy a
to
Honda
wear.
Accord and just say you're a financial advisor to find a wife. Yeah, and then go on social media, and then they find me on social media. Block them.
Yeah. Oh man. I mean, this air, God, man, this
Not gonna go
5 minute
anywhere.
level. We're in the range, so I'm looking at man. The range would be about 78 and 50. That's what I'm looking at it for me. I haven't looked at the chart at all. I barely looked at it when we were at the range. I did
I mean, look,
catch a
dude, it's just
couple
been
spots.
chopping. We've barely been moving.
Yeah, we've barely been moving.
At the range,
So-
it climbed a little bit, but there was no like. Oh, it's your turn to share charts. You want to share charts? Here.
All right. I can't share anything. It's hovering. It's got that little Ghostbuster X thingy.
We've had this issue before.
Should I leave and come back? Oh, rejected that.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it. I truly don't know your backstory. I didn't want to assume much, but it didn't seem as it was hard. Your vibe didn't come off as struggle, more so structure. I wasn't saying it in a bad way. Hearing relatable things makes me relate. Well, I mean, here's the thing, right?
It
I could
doesn't let me
play-
share my.
I could play the victim card and say, "Woe is me. I fucking had a shit. Didn't have money growing up as a kid. I was then in the military and fucking combat zones and fucking had a miserable hard life. Blah blah blah." Or can I fucking gloat and be proud of the accomplishments and how far I've come? The people who sit there and constantly complain about their upbringing and their childhood and how they were raised and the world is against them are the people that are never going to be successful and move forward in life.
Yep. I can't share
Every
the screen.
person has an opportunity to make it in this life, some way or another.
Weird.
Everyone has the opportunity to make it in this life. What I did, and you're gonna have people be like, "Well, Logan, fucking, you're just privileged." I'm privileged because I became a trader? Everybody can be a fucking trader. I didn't have any money when I became a trader. Hobby didn't have any money when he became a trader.
That privilege thing that they throw. Yeah, exactly. People think that you got to have money to come in as a trader. It's like I hate that they say that. Oh, you
Oh,
must
it's
have had
borrowing
money.
money
Like
from
I
people
literally had
borrowing-
nothing.
You stole money from your wife. I used all my money that I had. I worked the thing is, every single person, yeah, did I have a shitty childhood and a shitty upbringing and most of my life fucking sucked because of the military? Yeah. But I'm not going to sit there and fucking bitch about it. I'm going to fucking brag about how much fucking money I made now because of where I came from. People might say,
I
Logan,
stole my
you're-
money's
I'm
wife.
going to say,
It's
fuck you. I've
hilarious.
accomplished more than anything. That's what I say.
The stealing the wife's money thing is hilarious because it's like I hate saying it like this because I know there's people that separate the income. My income is my wife's income. Period. Right. So
Right.
her card is my card in a sense. My card is her card. She has access to all the accounts. I don't hold her back from anything. Like literally, that's how we were from the beginning. I was always the one that mainly worked. Right. She did work so also at times. But when we were at that point, it was just me that was kind of bringing in the money anyway. But I never separated it. I didn't care if she was a stay-at-home mom or she was working. My money is her money. It was always that way. That's how she reciprocates the same way. So when I tell that story about the wife's credit card thing, and people, are, so you stole your wife's money, I'm like, not really. But if you guys think
Right,
want
right.
to think
I know
of
what you
that
mean.
way, it's like
It wasn't, you didn't
it's
steal it.
funny.
You just didn't tell her that you were spending your guys' money, essentially.
Yeah, basically. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it ended up being probably the best decision I ever made.
Wow, you need to go to the Boca Mall. Cloud, go to the Boca Mall.
I'm gonna take her, man. I'm gonna take her, but she's so. I keep telling her like she's stingy and she's eyeballing a purse that she kind of wants, and I'm like, let's go get it. I don't want to go get it for her because I will probably mess up and get the wrong thing because I don't know shit about it, and I'll probably butcher it, but
The women that I've associated with in the past have become, I understand purses a little bit more, and because of Max and Lama and their girls, like I get it more. You go to the Boca Mall, you can get her every fucking purse that she would ever want.
yeah, yeah. And
You can get a
I
fucking,
want her to get something nice. All
you
right,
can get a
I want her to
fucking
get
like,
something nice.
what are the fucking Chanel bags called? I forgot what the Chanel bags are called, but yeah.
That
Just
that
don't,
rejection is
just don't.
rejecting.
We're not. You don't buy like a Birkin. You know what I mean? That takes. You don't need to buy a Birkin. That's,
I took this short off of that 50 break. If anybody caught it, I waited for that 50 break. If I did call it out, I said if that breaks 50, I'm getting it. So I don't know if anybody paid attention or not. I know we're kind of chit chatting, but I was eyeballing that rejection on the area. Then the range got wide. We broke that 50 and went right down to those levels right below. I can't share my screen, bro. It doesn't let me share my screen. I don't know why.
okay. I'll just show mine.
I was able to share it the other day. I was supposed to, Rick, but it's not letting me. It does. It just has this little X or that little ghost. What do you call that symbol? That little Ghostbuster thing. What the fuck God, that's called? That little
Yeah, your
circle, the
screen
red
is
circle with the line through it.
on YouTube at least. Your screen.
Yeah. So we just bounced right above those levels. I just wrote that right down there. We hit 35. The levels were at 28.30. And now back up we go to the top of the range. Still looking for this to reject this 70, 67, 70 area. We already rejected it once, 2, 3 times, but let's see if it does it again. This 5 minute, I'm gonna wait to see if this 5 minute closes below it, but it still looks like it is in a slight downtrend on the 1 minute. Wheel of Doom. Like yesterday, it was that one area. Was it yesterday? When was it? That one area at the bottom I kept scalping, or that was Wednesday. I barely remember yesterday. Right now, I'm looking at this 70, 75 area. But let's see. I want to see what this 5 minutes gonna do here. It's got 1 minute left, so holding off. Ooh, golden MVG below on a quantum buy. Oh, I almost always take these, but I'm worried about the 70, the 67 not holding. We're trapped. So normally this signal I'm getting right now with quantum and a golden MVG is almost an automatic buy for me to go long here. The issue right now is that we have this level at 78 and a quarter and 93. So if we can break the 78, we can push up. The stop loss on this would be a break below 50. So it's a 23-point stop loss with not much room. Unless I'm going with the level, I could move my stop loss to 58 and make it a little less riskier, but can also get wicked out. Fuck it. This is a tricky one here. And I'm going to take a screenshot for the Discord since the Discord can't really see it. So this is what I'm looking at right now. This is why this is a very risky one. I did click it just a couple just to test it out because of where we're at. I'm already up 13 points. There's 15. There's almost 18 right here, almost 20. Come on, give me 92. Boom, 20. Oh man, I have these. This is one of those setups that I just almost always take. Golden MVG with the quantum buy. There's 25 points. I have to almost take these. I almost always take these, almost. But this one, I just said, fuck it, I'm bored. I'm bored, bro. We had such an action-packed day today.
That's annoying.
All right, I'm trailing my last one.
Break my rules on trade setup where you bitch at me. I'm treating this like an MS. I'm treating this like an MS trade. Okay.
Ooh, another golden MVG. I'm gonna move my trail underneath 76. I'm gonna put it at 75 on my runner. Oh my god, it's still going, guys. If anybody else got in on this,
this is setup
almost...
anyway. This is a PHP
yeah, let's go. Let's go, guys. 524 would be the next area. Holy pop! They did them up 435 points.
Yeah, this is a fit for me. I haven't entered yet. I'm not in this trade yet. Hobby's ripping it. If it gets above 510, I'll jump in.
Guys, that's the golden setup right here. The golden MVG with a quantum setup is almost always a buy for me. Like I said, almost always. I did hesitate a little bit at first, but it presented an entry. MOC's in 4 minutes. Fuck it, I'm just gonna hold this runner. We got room to 524. This is the golden setup. Golden MVG plus the quantum buy. Up 30 points
Three
right
above
now.
510 for me. I want it to pop right around here, and then I'll
I
get
want
in
it-
the long.
I wanted to hold, there's 493 break. I wanted to hold above 493 next. If it wants to pull back a little bit. And then I wanted to push right up to 524. MOC might just keep going here.
Yeah, I think it's gonna rip. I think it's gonna honestly potentially just keep. I mean, we have so much space because of this fall during the open.
Yeah. Let's see what she wants to do. Here's a 493 retest. Oh, kind of bleeding through underneath it. Still want to see if this MVG will hold down there at 477. Let's see where our levels right now for MOC 459, 524. So if it does blow through this MVG here, I'm looking to see what it does at 459, 468. But this looks like it wants to rip. The 5 minute is getting ready to rip. It just broke through that level as well. Almost feel like reloading, like adding. And I don't normally do that. I'm just leaving the stop right below that level.
No trade for me, by the way. The trade's been canceled out.
All right. PyCon Friday. 5 micros. 5
Alright,
micros, baby.
Here's what we're gonna do.
Did I trade? Hold on, did I trade this account? Oh shit, I haven't traded this account. Fuck. Kinda need a hit a day on this one. I got one Tradeify account that I need 2 more 250 days to get a 2K payout.
All right, I'm going to click
I'm
buy.
clicking. Yeah, I'm in the buy still on that one, and I just clicked it on that Tradeify account.
Buy, not yet. I'm waiting for the right time. Before MOC, I'm gonna aim for 70 points, and I'm gonna put a
Oh,
30-point stop loss.
I need this to. It needs
And I
to
don't think
hold
it'll go
above
anywhere.
this 59.
All right, I'm just gonna click it now. TP is gonna be 56.
All right, here we go. It's got to hold above this 70-80 area, so it's already pushing. Oh, let's go, brother.
Wow.
I just need $100 more. I wonder
Wow.
with 5. I already took out 2. Fuck yeah,
Wow.
bro. Let's
Wow,
go,
we're up
baby.
$600,
Let's go.
$700.
Push.
Wow.
Push.
Wow.
Go,
Wow.
MOC. Rip.
Wow.
Rip.
Wow. And
I
this
just
is
need
even at
60 more
MOC.
bucks.
$800, $900.
I just need 60
Wow.
more
Across
bucks.
5 accounts. Wow. Rip. There we go. Keep going.
Rip
Keep
it.
going. Keep
24.
going.
No,
Wow.
don't pull back, you bitch.
Wow. We just hit 40 points. Keep going.
That was a very weak ass MOC though. That was a very weak ass. Come on,
MOC.
come on,
I don't care.
go,
I'm
go,
holding.
go, go, go.
I'm holding. Keep going. Keep going.
Keep
There we go.
I just need a little bit more. Wait, what's the Tradeify? Wait. What's the Tradeify? Is it 200 or 250 or 150? I'm at 200.
The minimum is 250, I think.
Shit, it's 250, so I need 50 more fucking dollars. Gotta send it. Nah, I'm not gonna send it. I just need 50 more dollars. But I'm not gonna force it, guys. I'm not gonna force it. That was an easy play right there. Right, we're stuck between, we almost hit 24, we hit 17, 18, 24.50 is a 5 minute level. Now we're trapped between 78 and 524.
I got 30 points. That's not even half.
Yeah, that was beautiful, bro. That was beautiful. All right, here we go to test the 578. What are you gonna do here? I'm gonna click it right there, and oh shit! No! Pull back! No, I'm gonna get out of it. Rips under 78 too much. I'm gonna get out of this thing. Okay, there's 78, and no, don't rip underneath it. I'm gonna get out of it if it rips too hard. Oh, I don't like that it's not bouncing. I might get out of this just because I don't like that it's not bouncing here. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. I'm gonna see if it rips itself back up or not. Oh, you bitch. You bitch. All right, I'm gonna try it. No, 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 not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. I need to see it really start to rip up and hold above. Yep. No, nope, it's not ready. We might get a 78. No, we're not gonna get it yet. Want it to hold this 78. All right, round 3. All right, all right, all right. Come on, go, 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 go. Come on, give me 88. No, no. I'm being very careful with this account here.
It's still in this long. I don't care.
You're still in it? Dude, I just re-entered it. I got
told you, man.
trailed. I took myself out on that little bleed through, and there you go. There's 88. All right, I need 20 more bucks. I need. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hold on, wait. Let me make sure with the fees. Yeah, I need 20 more bucks. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Give me 20 more bucks.
Oh, it's gonna hit my consistency. It's gonna lock out all my accounts because I added more to it. I told you my TP was gonna be 56. I was gonna hold it.
I don't know if I'm gonna get my 20 bucks here.
30-point stop. What did I say? 30-point stop loss, 70-point TP. So we only pulled halfway back, but I added onto it. So
I just need like with the fees and everything. It's at 256, but with the fees is at 230 something. So I just need a little extra push.
still in this long, holding it.
Come on, give me that 20 bucks. Give me the 20 bucks. Reaper, you DCA'd the frick out of it, dude. Get trail it close, man. Don't be DCAing it too much. I got out of it, waited for it to push back up, and got back in it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I just need $8. I need $8. Give me $8. Come on. Oh shit, I just need $5. Hold on, I gotta trail it.
I hit it. I hit it. My consistency and everything, but this is still ripping. This is still ripping.
Yeah, baby.
We're still going. We're still going. I told you guys 56, 70 points.
That was
still
fun
going.
as well.
We're still going.
There. Hit the 250. I just need Monday. I just need to hit 250. 2K payout. Another 2K payout.
Hell yeah. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. What I tell you guys
last week. Let's go.
What I tell you guys. Look at this. We're almost there. There we go. We're at 40 points. 40 points.
Let's go, baby. Oh.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Give me 56. I'm out of the trade, but that's where my initial TP was, so I'm fucking noting that in my head. 56 was TP. 58 was stop loss. I think something like that.
So clean. And look at that tap. Look at that tap. Did we hit 24? We just rejected at 524. Oh yeah, we did, baby. We did. That's the level tap. That's what I was looking for. I didn't need the whole way. I got that little bit.
Yeah, I bet.
Little bit. Look at this. Look at that level tap. So clean, so crispy. From 78 all the way to 524. Oh, that rejection! Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa! Oh no!
That
I'm not on the trade anymore.
Yeah, that was dude. These levels.
I put my all right. So here's a little fun fact for you guys. If you guys are degenerative traders, in wealth charts in Trade-Evate, you have two things that you can do. You can put a daily loss limit, which means that once that number is hit, you're locked out. Another thing you can do is a profit target, right? So for me, I know that the consistency rule on my 150Ks is $4,500. So I set it so that if I make a little bit under that, because it usually goes over like 3,500, I call it and it locks it out. So for me, I was able to lock out. I can take a screenshot here and post it in the chat. Here you go. These are my accounts, right? I was able to lock these out at the number.
Okay.
So now I don't have to worry about over trading, oversizing. They're done. They're locked. They're finished. I'm good. So you guys want to use your profit goals, your profit setups, and your stop loss. Or not. What is it called? It's called what are your risk settings?
Risk
your
management.
Trigger, yeah, profit trigger and your daily loss limit. And you want to set those on Wealth Charts or Trade-Evate or Ninja Trader, and it helps you massively with your psychology. You hit that number, that's it. Green, red, whatever. This is my number. I will not go below or over in the day. It's a great way to manage your risk. So for me, as you guys see, I hit my $3,600 for the day. I'm done. I'm good. I don't need to trade anymore.
Yeah.
Are you
and
using
I'm-
Flow Indicator? No.
So if I hit that
Profit
Monday,
daily
that
profit, yes.
yeah, if I hit Monday that 250, these are the two payouts I get today.
Yep.
Get another 2K from
Hey,
Lucid Pro, right? Get that.
Oh yeah.
It's a fucking glorious day. What a glorious day.
That's a good ass trade though. It was a 40, 50 point.
Dude, that was Ripper. That was awesome. And right, that rejection off that 524 too. Oh God. And I'm done though. What a Friday.
Yep.
What a week. What a fucking week, man. What a freaking week.
150K would be the best daily loss limit. Future Lee, you should know this. You're a student of mine. You know what our risk parameters are. Message in the student chat. We'll help you out there.
Of course. That was gonna be, you know what was funny, right? That was gonna be for the gun purchase, Logan, that pro. I told my wife I'm gonna make what I need to buy the gun.
But you did.
Yeah. I
You
know.
did.
Yeah. It was crazy. Crazy that I managed to get that. I love doing that, dude. That's like the funnest thing to do. Let me see if I can make what I'm about to spend. We've done that with Disney too. It's
You
just
changed
nuts.
your daily Lucids? Yes. Have you gotten a payout from them yet? Not yet. Probably will next week. You're done. I'm done. Let's give away some shit. YouTube word of the day is
Oh yeah, Logan taught me well so far. I think what helped me is the stance that you showed me when we went over there to Hoff's. That's how I've been. That's literally what I've been doing. I didn't change it at all. So, yeah.
word of the day on YouTube is going to be affluent. Affluent. Word of the
Affluent.
day is affluent.
What a dump. Holy crap. That level rejection was crispy. That 78 breakthrough. And it broke and retested on the one with a nice three. 2 threesies on the 1 minute. Like back to back. Were those back
Hello.
to that 428. Oh.
I got, so yeah, maybe. Let me see. I got some shit I got to do.
Just melting.
I got to, let me see. Let me figure it out. Yeah, I'm gonna stream its power. That's max.
No way. How many payouts on Tradeify per account do you got to get to go live? Again, what's the new thing?
4.
It's 4. Shit. Okay, I can't. I just made 400.
Winner on the YouTube, Shas Vakays. Congratulations.
I don't want to get 4 payouts from one account if I still
Holy
am
fuck!
about
You
to get
guys
a
see this
payout from another
PHP
account.
short? Holy fuck! Remember I told you
Yeah,
guys
dude,
needed
this
a.
short was clean.
Oh my gosh! Holy fuck! Look
Yeah.
at that 66 point print through the PHP. Holy fuck! I wasn't even paying attention. Wow.
I just made $400 on my select daily on the 370 350 on the select daily, but I don't know if I want to withdraw that one because I've already withdrawn 4 times
Thank you guys for the.
and I still have another account to get a payout out of.
Just goes over. Javi, what's the next word for the YouTube?
Next word for the YouTube, let's do sausage. I don't know why. That's just the first word that popped into my head. So don't
Just
ask
use
questions.
the indicator on your chart to catch that. That's funny. Yeah, there you go.
Hell
Use
yeah.
PHP without using PHP.
Sausage is on the mind. Not that kind of sausage, though. Yeah, sausage memes. Is this thing gonna 3Z break 394 here? Another 3Z. Holy shit. 1, 2, 3 3Zs happening right now. Back to back on the one. Kind of nuts. Also had a break and retest of a quantum candle. What a nice drop. $349 could be the next area.
Discord, thinking of a number of 1 through 1,000.
Damn, that's
Just
some
under-
big ass numbers. Are you gonna be able to see it?
I don't know why I did 1,000. I regret that.
Yeah,
already.
yeah. Like, what?
I changed my mind. I changed my mind. 1 through 100. 1 through 100. And if you already typed it, then that counts too. 1 through 100.
All right, 5, 3, 321, 310. The next area. If this thing keeps going, thing is just nutty. Used to break 349 on the one. Then we have 320, 310. Below that, 260.
Interesting.
Just closed above 349.
The human brain works a certain way. There's a lot of people who type in 77 for some reason. I wonder if there's like some reason behind that. Like,
Lucky
why
number
77
7.
is the number that everybody keeps picking. Like, look how many people have picked 77. It's very strange.
I saw that. I did see that. I see not a single person chose number 69 either. Not one of you guys. I know there's a bunch of you sick bastards in here.
369 Satoshi. Congratulations. You want access to any indicator free for an entire week.
Yeah, Nikki. Got my Tom and Jerry. I saw this shirt. I picked it up so fast, you don't understand how fast I got this shirt. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I want that shirt.
Guys,
No
come on.
hesitation.
Anybody. You guys still haven't gotten the number. 1 through 100. This is fucking melting right now. Holy fuck.
Yeah. We're hovering right above that 349. It's refusing to break it. There it goes. Okay. 321 and 310 would be next below that. It's trying to, but it's right now it's hanging out on top of it. Dun, dun. Oh God, man.
All right. We're dropping the number down. It's the same
Yeah.
number. 1
Yeah,
through
we get
80.
12.
1 through 80.
Yeah, stock. Yeah, I lost 120K in options. Put my family in a very bad situation, man. Futures saved me, pretty much.
There we go. There it is. Easy. Easy. Winner.
Easy.
Winner. I don't feel like bringing you up. Congratulations.
Oh man, I missed all these. Dude, I didn't realize how far up I scrolled. What the hell?
You just won counts mods? Or no?
Winner. Winner, chicken dinner.
Moderators, do we have a count for him or are we giving him an indicator?
Hell yeah, Tushar.
Indy. All right. Open up his 14. You get access to any indicator free for an entire week. Actually, you know what? Mods, I know this is a pain in the ass. If it's not too late, let's make those 3 people a month. It's Friday. It's the last day of the month.
Hell yeah. Yeah. Go month.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
like
all
that.
3 of them are getting a free month of the indicator they choice. Yeah, it's Friday. Thank you. Awesome. Great week. Great power hour. Great day. Hobby and I survived. A bullet almost fucking went through my leg. Hobby's a great fucking shooter. He got a new toy he's picking up next week. Great day. Great week.
You could call me 44-7 because I'm 447 pounds, bitch. Not kidding.
There you go.
I'm like 420 right now, I think. I'm guesstimating. My clothes fit already better. I'm pretty sure I lost like 5-10 pounds at least. So I'm not gonna weigh. I'm only gonna weigh myself once a month, bro. I'm not doing that shit with
Yeah, don't stress yourself about it.
Yeah, I'm not.
But yeah, we called that long, which is beautiful. And then I didn't call it, but PHP presented a perfect short right afterwards. Hobby did his thing. He had his calls also. Easy day, great power hour. Everybody have a great fucking weekend. Do not talk to me. I'm not friends with any of you guys when it is Friday evening until Monday morning. Do not contact me. I don't know any of you. None of you are my friends. Do not waste my time or energy. With that being said, Hobby, what do you got?
Same old, guys. Make sure you follow our socials, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all that fun stuff. Like, subscribe, hit that bell. Make sure you guys don't miss any of the live shows. Max and Lama in the morning. Got myself and Logan here for Power Hour. Then you got Priscilla and Coach for Happy Hour. And of course, the legend, the myth, Luigi himself, Luca, for the London Highs. Appreciate you guys. It's been an insane week, an insane month overall. Finally settling in Florida. Like, have had a blast so far. Appreciate every single one of you guys and gals. Enjoy your weekend. Have fun. Get off the charts for a while. We'll do this thing all over again next week. Tip the staff. Show your love. And enjoy your weekend, y'all. Love you guys. Peace out.
Later, everybody. Anarchy, kick it.
Do a quick 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, love, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, that's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on the gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, burden in my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting a trip. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, one and shit, turned into a trip. We in and out quick. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Probably need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white kind, that's all we on blind. New father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt. But you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift, then I did it again. Quantum shift, quantum into one shift. We in and out quick. At my